Good afternoon, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, it's time for the video. Now it's time for the prayers. Have you said your prayers, my dear children? Yes. It is very important that you start your prayers before your studies. Okay? Yes. You have to make it a regular habit so that you can do it day to day wise. Okay? Yes. Children, come on, all of you wish me good afternoon, teacher. Yes, good afternoon, children. My dear children, as it is a lockdown and all are at home. From home itself, you are doing your studies, right? From home itself, you are playing, right? So, my dear children, play at home. Also, in the meantime, simultaneously, you also have to study. Okay, children? I found that many of the children are not sending the regular homework. Okay? So, I kindly request the parents and my dear children, please send the homework regularly to your respective teachers. English and maths. Okay? And also, along with English and maths, you also have to do your other studies, that is GK, okay, drawing, story, poems, okay, all that also you have to do it regularly, okay, so that along with maths, along with English, you also know the other activities, okay. Yes, children, it's very important. Now, what homework I had given you last lecture, last English lecture? Yes, what children I had given you? I had taught you capital J, right? I had taught you capital J. Very good. How many children have done the homework? Raise your hand. Yes, I have found many of them. But many of them are not sending their homework. Okay? So, please send. Yes. What remarks you have got from me, children? What remarks you have got? Yes, very good. Good. Excellent. Right? And what I give along with excellent? A piece of Cadbury. A piece of Cadbury. Very good. I know you all like it. Yes, very good. You keep on continue to do your homework regularly, neatly, nicely so that I can give you excellent. Okay? Yes, my dear children, today the English teacher, I Lavina Miss, has brought you a new topic in English. Okay? A new topic in English, that is capital K. That is capital K. So I request you, kindly open your long book, book number 3 to page number 10. Come on, fast. I request all the children, come on fast children. I hope you are sitting along with the books, okay? Yes, it is very must, because when teacher comes with the video, you have to get ready with pencil, rubber, your square length book, your long book, everything you have to get ready with it, okay? Yes, very good. So now, I want all the children to get ready with your long book. Come on, open your long book to page number 10. Come on, quickly. I want everybody to open your long book to page number 10. So, come on children. Have you opened all your page number 10? Yes, long book page number 10. Book number 3. Okay? Yes. So, today we are going to do page number 10. That is capital K. That is capital K. Yes, children. Capital K, what all picture comes, my dear children? Come on, capital K, this is capital K. This is K for kite. This is kettle. This is key, right? Key, right? You open the lock with the key, right? When you go out, right? And when you come in. When you go out, you lock your house with the key and the lock. And when you come inside, when you come in your house, you also open your lock and with the key, right? Yes. This is the kite where many of the children fly kites on your festival, right? In which festival you fly kites? Sankranti, right? Yes. Many of the children, many of the adults, right? They fly kite in the terraces, in the playgrounds, right? We find many of the kites different shapes, different colors, flying kites on the day of Sankranti festival, right? Yes. This is a kettle, children. Kettle is where we put hot tea, okay? We pour hot tea in it, okay? Next page, page number 11 is kiwi. This is page number 11, kiwi. This is a fruit, my dear children. This is a fruit where many of them eat, okay? This is a fruit. This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo, yes. A kangaroo always carries its baby in its pouch, okay? In its pouch, okay? A kangaroo always carries its baby in its pouch and it stays in the jungle, okay? It stays in the jungle. So, come on children, we are going to start today. We are going to start today capital K, okay? Today I am going to teach you capital K. So, I will show you more pictures, some other pictures of capital K. Okay, yes, this is capital K. Okay, I have not drawn some other picture. It's same pictures, my dear children. Okay, this is kite. Okay, K for kite. This is K for kiwi, a kettle, and this is a key. Okay, yes. So today, I will teach you how to write capital K. So I want everybody to open your spelling book, your pencil, your eraser, to get ready with the book. I am preparing my book on the board. So I give you 5 minutes. Fast open. Get ready with the new page. Okay? Get ready with the new page. Huh? Yes. Today's date is 5th October. Okay? Yes. Okay, yes, we have completed with the month of September and now we have come into the month of October. Okay, children? Yes. Children, have you opened your book, your pencil, your eraser? Are you ready with your book? Yes. Kindly open a new page. Today I am going to teach you capital K. Today's date is 5th October. Okay, I have brought a new topic in English, that is capital K. And here I have drawn for you a lovely kite. K for kite. Okay, K for kite. Okay, yes. Children, go up. And then from here we have to come down. Okay, this is capital K. I'll show you, my dear children. This is standing line. Okay, from here you go up and from here you come down. Okay, yes, slanting line. You have to do slanting line. One slanting line up and one slanting line down. Okay, yes, this is a standing line. From here you go up and from here you come down. This is capital K. Okay, yes, this is a standing line. Okay, from middle you go on top, up you go. Do a slanting line upwards and one slanting line downwards. Okay, yes, now I'm going to write on that. Okay, this is standing line. We go up and then we come down. This is capital K. Okay, standing line, up, down. Capital K. K for kite, K for key, K for kettle. Okay, yes. Standing line, up, down. Slanting line. Okay, this is capital K. This is capital K. This is capital K. Okay, I go to the next line. I go to the next line. Yes, this is standing line. Yes, from here you go up and then from here you come down. Okay, slanting line. This is a standing line, up, and this is down. Okay, cross, slanting line. Okay, this is a standing line. First you do standing line. From here you go up and then from here you come down, downwards, slanting line. Okay, capital K. This is capital K. This is capital K. K for kite, K for kettle. Okay, K for key, K for kiwi. Okay, K for kiwi. So now we write on capital K, K for kite, K for kite, K for kettle, K for kettle, K for key, K for key, K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. The kangaroo is an animal who keeps his baby in its pouch. Okay, that keeps his baby in its pouch. Okay, yes. Now we go to the third line. Okay, this is standing line. Okay, and this is cross. This is a standing line. This is cross. This is a standing line, and here from up you go, from down you go up, and from here you come down. Okay, this is the standing line. From here you go up, and from here you come down. This is a capital K. This is capital K. Okay, this is capital K. Okay, yes, this is capital K. This is capital K. K for kettle, K for kite, K for key, K for kiwi, K for kangaroo. Okay, yes. This is capital K. This is capital K. This is capital K. Okay, yes. I go to the fourth line, children. I'll show you again how to write. Okay, this is standing line. We go for the first standing line. From here we go up, and then from here itself we come down, slanting line. Okay, we write first standing line. Okay, from here we go up, cross standing up, slanting line, and then from this point we come down. Okay, this is a slanting line. Okay, yes, this is standing line. From here we go up, and then from here we come down. This is K for kite. K for kite. Okay, this is what? K. K for kite. K for kiwi. Slanting line. We come down. This is a slanting line. Okay, this is capital K. We write on that. Okay, this is standing line, and this is capital K. Okay, this is standing line. This is up and down. This is K for kettle, K for key, K for kangaroo, K for kiwi, K for kite. Okay, yes, this is capital K. This is capital K. This is capital K. Okay, yes, this is capital K. Okay, I have completed with one page, my dear children. I hope you have finished it. Okay, I hope you have finished it with the capital K. Okay, this homework you have to write it 2 times. This homework you have to write 2 times. Okay, I go through it. Again I repeat it for you. Okay, today we have done a new topic in English, that is capital K. And here I have drawn you a picture of kite. This is capital K. K for kite. Okay, yes. Now first you have to do standing line. Then from here you have to go up slanting. And then from here you have to come down. Okay, go down. So this is capital K. Your first standing line. Then you do cross slant down. That is cross. Okay, capital K. This is standing line. Okay, then you do cross slanting line upwards, and then slanting line downwards, that is capital K. Okay, standing line upwards, one slanting line, downwards one slanting line, and capital K. Okay, yes, my dear children, I have completed with one page, so I give you 5 minutes. Complete your book, complete your page fast. I'll come back with it. Children, have you completed with one page? Yes. If you have not yet completed, you can pause the video, you can zoom the video, okay, and you can write at home. Okay. Children, along with this homework, your homework is for 2 times, okay, 2 pages. Along with this, you also have to send page number 11 on the long book, book number 3, that is capital K, the 2 lines. Okay, these 2 lines you have to send. Okay, yes, you have to send page number 11. Remember children, you have to send the long book. Okay, the long book. Those who don't have, it's okay, but those who have, kindly send it. Some are not sending, some are sending only this 1 page. Okay, some are not sending the long book. I have told you to send this homework 2 times and the long book 1 time. Okay, so along with this, you also have to send the long book 2 lines, that is only 2 lines, my dear children, capital K, page number 11 from the long book. Okay, book number 3. Remember this. Okay, yes, children. Now we go through again all the pictures. Okay, we go through again fast. We go through. Okay, yes. Now capital A, children, what are the pictures you find? Fast we go. Okay, what are the pictures we find for capital A? Yes, A for apple, A for axe, A for arrow. Okay, capital B, next is capital B. B for ball, B for bat, B for balloon. Okay, and B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay, children, yes. Capital C, we have C for cat, C for car, C for cake. Okay, C for cake and C for cap. Okay, yes. Capital D, we have D for drum, D for dog, D for dice, D for duck. Okay, capital E, we have E for elephant, E for eyes, E for ears, E for egg. Okay, children, yes. Capital F, we have F for fish, F for fan, F for frock. Okay, F for frog. Yes. Capital G, we have G for gun. Okay, G for grapes. Yes, G for goat. Okay, and G for a beautiful girl. Okay, yes, a beautiful girl. Okay, yes. Now H, after G comes H. H for horse, H for house, H for hat. Okay, H for helicopter. Okay, yes. Now after H comes I, capital I. Capital I is I for ice cream, I for igloo. Okay, I for island, or I for ice cream. Okay, yes. Now next, after I what comes, children? After I comes J. Yes, today we have done capital K. Yes, now after I comes capital J. J for jackal, J for jug. Okay, J for joker, J for jug. Okay, yes. Now after J is capital K. Today we have done capital K. That is, what are the pictures of capital K, children? K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for, come on, what else? K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for kettle, and K for key. K for key. Okay? Yes, children. We have revised all the pictures. So I want you to remember. Okay, don't forget. And when you are doing your studies at home, kindly say along with the pictures. Okay? A for, B for, C for, D for. Okay? You have to learn along with the picture so that you remember, you don't forget. Okay, yes, my dear children and my dear parents, I end my video today. I'll come back to you with the next English lecture. Okay, yes, and I would like to also inform you that soon your next class test is coming very soon. Okay, I don't know the date, but you have to get prepared. Okay, you have to get prepared for it and start practicing at home. Okay, yes, A to K. Okay, yes. So I'll come back to you with the next English lecture. I love you, Miss, saying thank you and goodbye. Take care, stay home, stay safe, don't go out. Okay, and keep watching my video. Thank you and goodbye.